Today we're going to be taking a look at the Silverback survival knife by Holtzman Gorilla Survival. So stick around. We're out here for a solo overnight. While I was out here, I figured I'd do a review on this knife I just got from Holtzman's Gorilla Survival. It's called the Silverback Survival Knife. The D2 steel, hollow grind, G10 handles, very pretty. Handles real comfortable. Got a drop edge drop point there. Very good grip. And then on the kite ash sheath, leather strap comes around the knife. You got your ferrule rod here, very tight in there. Same G10 handle. And then you got your ferrule striker, same G10 handle. And watch that, snaps in there real good. I thought I might worry about it popping out, but that's in there good and tight, and that for sure in there good and tight. Got a good snap here at. Actually got to give it a good pull to get it out of there. But snap. And then you got your leather strap here, just in case. That's not going nowhere there. And then if you didn't happen to put it all the way back in, it's not going nowhere. Alright, we're going to get a piece of wood and put it through its paces and see how it holds up. We'll start off by splitting this bigger piece here. I think it's a 4.5 inch blade and 4-inch handle. I know some people don't like D2 steel, they say it's brittle, so we'll just check it out here. You got that knot there. But I like D2 steel for the maintenance prospect of it. And if you don't like D2 steel, he has another one. It's a 1095. It's got black G10 handles with red liners, and it's called the Bloodline. And I'll leave links in the description for both of them. You can get them on Amazon. No problem batoning. All right. Alright, let's try to make some feather sticks now. Does good shavings. There we go. Does pretty good there. I mean, it does what it needs to. Alright. Now for the brittle aspect of it. I don't know if you can see that. It got a little bend to the tip, but that's about it. Out of all that, and I was pulling big old chunks out of there. But about straighten it back out. So I guess as long as you're not bending the tip, it ought to last pretty good. I mean, straighten the tip right back out right there. Perfect. Now let's see if the back edge of the knife is sharp enough to strike the ferrule rod. It'll throw a spark. Alright. Now let's see how well the striker itself works. See if there's any difference. Yeah, I'd say the striker throws pretty better spark, but the knife will do it in case you lose this or if you need to. And it's got a tech lock clip on it. Snap it on your belt. This is adjustable. You can turn it to scout style, straight up and down, whatever you want. So like I said, I'll leave a description and leave a link to where you can pick up this one, which is the Silverback, and the Bloodline, which is the 1095 steel, if you'd rather have the 1095. And it has the solid black G10 handles with red liners, where this just has this gray and black liner here. There you go. That's the Silverback from Holtzman Guerrilla Survival.